Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos otra vez a mi canal. So I wanted to make a video because I get so many questions. People asking me like, girl, how are you so confident in going out by yourself, meeting people, going to new places, going to a brand new city by yourself, not knowing anybody? Oh my god, to think about it, it is kind of crazy. Like, what the heck? But let's go back into the past. I was never like confident. I was always insecure. And I'm gonna get emotional because, oh, that girl, like, I love, oh my god, I did not make a video to cry, okay? Like, I think I'm gonna need to buy a mic because I live on a busy street and cars are like, but yeah, I'm not gonna cry in this video, so like I need a little fan or something. But anyways, I was not always super confident. I was never like, oh yeah, like, you know, that girl. I was never that girl. But as a few of you may know, back into my old videos, if you've been following me for a while, I'm big on motivating yourself, being your own cheerleader, because honey, let me tell you, if you're waiting for someone, which I did for the longest time, I just wanted for someone to come and cheer for me, like, girl, you can do it, yeah girl, like, I'll like grab my hand and like take you to the promised land. You work on yourself, like read a lot of books. Like, I have a whole bookshelf right there, and sometimes I read, sometimes I don't. I'm not gonna say I read every single day. I work on myself every single day, because that's just not true. But I did start working on myself a lot. I started reading self-improvement, personal development books. Even if you see me now and you think, oh my god, she's so pretty, she's so confident, thank you. And I don't know, sometimes I still don't always feel confident. Like, sometimes I feel like I'm still missing something. But then I gotta remind myself and be like, okay, yeah, maybe you are missing something, but you can't be sad and upset about it. Like, life goes on. People you admire the most, like Kim Kardashian, I don't know, Brad Pitt is coming to my mind. Those people, they have their own insecurities, and like, life goes on. Like, have you ever seen that Rihanna short where she says, just be confident, girl, even if you don't feel like it, just be confident. Okay, so some of you may know, maybe not everybody knows, but I did just make a huge, I'm using my freaking caja for moving as a tripod. You know those Home Depot cajones? I'm using that as my tripod. Pero, because I'm still not fully settled. Like, I still need a table. I don't have a table. I just bought my mattress not that long ago. Because, yes, I was sleeping on my floor. I moved from Santa Barbara to LA all by myself. Like, what? That's so crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's crazy saying it out loud. What? Okay. Oh my god, nope. Stop. So, the reason why I made this transition in my life was because I told myself as soon as I got my real estate license, I was going to move over here. Long story short, I got my license. I stayed back in my hometown, sold a few homes, saved some money, and I made my move over here. And it's just crazy, like, and the way this all started was me, I just went to an event all by myself. That's how my journey started. Like, someone recommended a YouTube video for me to watch, Preciado. I'll link it down below if you guys want to know which one it was. and it just inspired me. And then I just started following him on Instagram. Right when I started following him, he was going to host an event at a mansion, Beverly Hills, and I was like, that's such my vibe. My little inner, like, little negative voice was like, Crystal, what are you gonna be doing in Beverly Hills, like, all by yourself with some people you don't even know? And I was like, I was scared. Like, I didn't want to make that, like, move. Like, why am I gonna go? You're right, why should I go? Long story short, they were like, okay, if you're coming to this event, you have to dress all white. And I was like, I don't even have an all white outfit, like, you know. So I was just like, I want to go, I don't want to go, like, should I go, should I not go? And then I was just like, girl, you just really need to get out of your comfort zone. You can't live in a little corner safe all your freaking life, because if you do, you're gonna regret it. You're going to regret it big time when you're 50, 70, 80. And I was just like, I don't want to live with regrets. Let me go to the event. What's the worst that can happen? People are not gonna like me. Like, I'm not gonna die if they don't like me. And girl, I was unemployed. Like, ni les digo que I was bawling because I was freaking I was on unemployment, EDD, everything. But I was like, you know what, like, I'm gonna go. So I booked my Airbnb. I got my ticket for the event because you have to pay, obviously. And then I was just like, oh damn, well, I have to go find a dress now. So I was like, okay, it's LA, like, you know, there shouldn't be a problem finding a dress at a mall or something. The event was on Saturday. I got here like at Friday in la tarde. So Friday, like in the afternoon, I went to the mall. I found a dress, and then I went back to my Airbnb. And then the next day, oh my god, I kid you not, I was terrified. I was wearing my white dress. I already had all my makeup done. I stained my dress right here. My foundation, I don't know how it went on my dress. And I was like, no. And like, the more I rubbed it, the more it went everywhere. And I was like, oh my god, well, I hope people don't see it. But it was like literally right here in the center. I literally froze. My anxiety kicked in. I sat in my car. I was like, I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna turn my car around. I'm gonna leave. Like, I can't do this. And then my voice was just like, you literally did all of that just for you to go back. You literally booked your hotel, you bought your dress, you brought the ticket, you drove 3 hours to get here just to ride back. And then I was just like, no, I didn't. And then I was just like, oh my god, I was fighting my voices back and forth. And anyways, I got some courage. I went to the event, and then it was an amazing experience. I met so many people, like so many like-minded people. And I wasn't even into real estate. Pa que te digo que, oh my god, real estate is my passion, like this and that. Like, I swear I never considered real estate as a career path. I was just curious. I was like, okay, I don't think this is like a bad, like, I think I can do this. He started showing me the numbers, like if you sell a home of this price, your commission is X, Y, and Z. And I was just like, I can do this. And then it's just like, you gotta have a really good personality, just like a really good vibe with people. Like, you can't be toda like, you know, like Rosalia. Like, you cannot be like that. You just, and naturally I just click and bond with people. Like, I'm a people's person. I highly recommend for you to go to an event that you might be interested in. And if it's out of state, I don't know, book the flight. Like, why? Because you're only young for such a short amount of time. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to fail at some things. But why would you want to live in the corner safe all your life? Take the risk, girl or boy. Take the risk. And sometimes when God sees you taking that risk, he sees your faith. Oh my God. When he sees your faith, he's going to be like, okay, you really trust, don't you? And trust me, he's not gonna leave you alone. Like, he's always gonna be there with you. And I get it, some people are busy, they have other responsibilities, but start off small. Never let anxiety stop you, because like I said, I couldn't go to the store, even let alone Walmart, by myself, because I would get a huge anxiety attack. Like, I would just literally freeze. I would sit in my car and like start crying. But I don't know, you eventually gotta get over it. Like, you're not always going to have your friends there with you, your friends, your boyfriend. You're not gonna always want to wait on them to, like, when they get off, to go with you to the store, because they're humans too. They have their life responsibilities and they cannot always be there for you. They can't just drop everything. Like, don't put that huge burden on someone else. You know what I mean? Like, life is already tough as it is, and like, all I have to say, get over your fears. Don't wait for people to come and hold your hand and rescue you. Listen to a lot of motivational things. Listen to guided meditation. And when you see me and you think, oh my god, she's killing it, like, thank you. I try my best to either listen to audiobooks. My best recommendation is The Alchemist, The Four Agreements. That's my top 2 right now. And I listen to a lot of motivational speakers. For example, his name. But anyways, I'm gonna tell you, I guess, like, the religious people I listen to. I used to listen a lot to Terry Saville Foy, Joel Osteen, basically just a lot of things that like talk about God. Ooh, you know who also has the best relatable motivational things? Steve Harvey. I love Steve Harvey. Oprah, she's also really good. I don't know, like, if there's someone you look up to, type their name on Google and just put motivational or inspirational. Like, for example, CrystallChavezz inspirational something, and something will pop out. Like, I'm just using it as an example. Listen to it, soak it in. Every time I listen to those types of motivational speakers, I kid you not, I start crying. Like, even when I'm cleaning, like, it's amazing listening to Bad Bunny, like, perreando while you're cleaning. But sometimes it's good to just put a motivational podcast and start cleaning. That is like meditation to me. Like, that's so weird because I hate cleaning, but sometimes it's just so relaxing. It's like food to your soul. But yeah, girl, like, feed your soul with something powerful, something inspirational. Like, start off small and go from there. Te quiero, te amo, cuídate mucho. Adiós.